Hello, Matin va agus fescar ma. Ciad millefalcha gu podcast acum. Learn Gaelic le Joseph. Is Misha Joseph hami an Alba. Ha fuar an show an Alba. Fuar agus fuireach. Heather is Kevin. Ha iet. Aimeireaga a Tuath. Hello, and you're all very welcome to my Gaelic podcast. You should have understood everything I've said so far if you've been following my previous podcasts. There were two new things that I said there. And show, here. Ha fuar an show, here. The word for here and show, and the word for there and shin. So, for example, ha fuar an show. It's cold here. Ha fuireach an shin. Is it wet there? Ha fuireach an shin. Is it wet there? Cold is ha fuar an shin. Now I made the question there simply by raising my voice up. So I made a statement and raised my voice up. For example, it's cold there. So I wasn't really asking, is it cold there? I was simply saying, it is cold there. So I was making a question by raising my voice. Let me just do that one more time. Ha fuar an show. Ha fuar an shin. Okay, so the first one was the statement and the second one was the question. I hope that's clear. The other thing that I mentioned there is that Heather and Kevin, Heather is Kevin, ha iet Aimeireaga a Tuath, North America, America a Tuath. Heather is Kevin, ha iet Iansach Gaelic. Hami an Alba. I am in Scotland. An Alba. An is the article and it needs to be used. An is the female article. The female article is used before vowels. Articles in Gaelic are very complex. There's 8 of them. So I recommend that we start to use them and associate them with words. I'm not going to talk any more about them now, but they will be popping up. Hami an Alba. Hami an Alba. Ha iet an America. America. An Aimeireaga a Tuath. Ha iet an Aimeireaga a Tuath. Now, this is new because I haven't used this before. You've heard me saying an Alba, and now I'm telling you that we have to say an Aimeireaga a Tuath, North America. All right. So an goes before America and Scotland. An Alba, ha iet an Aimeireaga. Hami a fuireach an Alba. Ha iad a fuireach an Aimeireaga a Tuath. To ask a question in Gaelic without just raising your voice, for example, Hi fuar, it's cold. To ask the question the proper way, you can use a bheil. A bheil. A bheil fuar. A bheil fuar. And remember the word for there. So the sentence would be a bheil fuar an sin. A bheil fuar an sin. And of course it's a question, so naturally I would be putting my voice up at the end. A bheil fuar an sin. A bheil fuar an sin. Ha fuar an seo an Jew. Let's try some of these again. A bheil fuar an sin. Ha fuar an seo. A bheil fluch an ish. Ha fluch an seo. A bheil plá an sin. Ha plá an seo. And remember, there's no word for yes or no in Gaelic, so you'd have to add ha if you want to use the affirmative. A bheil fuar an sin. Ha fuar an seo. So it gives it a nice emphatic touch. A bheil fluch an ish. Ha fluch an seo. A bheil plá an sin. Ha plá an seo. To say no in Gaelic, you would simply say chan as if you were creating a negative sentence. For example, a bheil fuar an sin. Chan fuar an seo. A bheil fluch an ish. Chan fluch an seo. A bheil plá an sin. Chan plá an seo. So let's recap on what we've learned today. Is Misha Joseph. Hami a fuireach an Alba. Heather is Kevin. Ha iad an Aimeireaga. Aimeireaga a Tuath. A bheil fuar an sin. Ha fuar an Aimeireaga a Tuath. A bheil fuar an seo an Alba. Ha fuar agus fluch an Alba. A bheil Gaelic agad. Ha Gaelic agad. Hami dúlach. Chan Gaelic acum. A bheil am fescar plá. Ha plá. A bheil an seo. A bheil an sin. Hami an seo an ish. Well, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this, and until next time, Chiri and Drazda.